Okay, I'm back with the Glock 20 and I have the 38 Super conversion barrel in there, and I think that this barrel is 6.5 inches, which is why you have extension beyond the frame here. I don't know, what do you guys think as far as aesthetics? You think it looks okay with just a barrel like this, or would it be better with a perhaps threaded with a compensator on there? Just let me know. But in any case, this is the magazine loaded up with the 38 Super, and apparently you're able to get more than the 15 shots in here, and we'll see if it cycles cleanly through the entire magazine. Okay, we had a misfeed there. So it's quite possible that you can't load more than the 15 in there. So we'll just give it another go and see what happens. Okay, looks like I had another hang up. And theoretically, these should feed the best of any particular type of ammunition since it's ball, but I guess we'll just have to see. Unfortunately, I don't have any other varieties of this, so we'll just see what happens with the rest of the rounds. Okay, one more hang up, and I think that that might be the last round. Let me see. You can see how that's hanging up in there. Okay. So, matter of fact, it looks like it locked back. I did not do that. I'll tell you what though, 38 Super is used in a lot of competition, and being that this is the first time that I've attempted to fire it, I've never fired 38 Super before, it seemed to be going a lot better for me with the 38 Super in terms of hitting the target than it did with the 357 SIG or the 10mm. That could be coincidence, but perhaps that's one of the reasons why they use it for competition. Yeah, I think the pistol is sensing that as the round prior to the last one is seeing that as the last round because it's locking itself back. It's not really getting hung up on anything. I'll look at the video again and see if that is in fact the case. But you guys out there, let me know what you think about converting one cartridge for another in the same pistol. You think it's a good idea? You think it's a waste of money? I'm always interested to hear other opinions. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.